So, what brings me here is that I made... Oops. Well, what brings me here is I made this electric longboard. And basically it's injected steroids and adrenaline.
So to start this rad deck, you're going to buy this £10 pine board. Trust me, it's strong enough. I've had some proper mad falls on this board. I wanted to use poplar wood, but sadly the timber shop was closed. Only because it's lighter. And please subscribe. I'd be so grateful. I've put a lot of work into making these videos. And one click is all it takes to make me super happy and to help my college course. Please. I'll put the template in the description. Spray some contact adhesive on both sides and stick the template on the deck. Use the jigsaw to cut out the template. Now we basically refine our jigsaw cut. Can be with a spoke shave, or we can sand it by hand or with a palm sander. Whoa, this is my 3D printed tool. Hopefully soon with a 3D printer and table saws. That'd be awesome. Or maybe not actually, it sounds rather dangerous. Router both sides with a round over bit. On the middle, I use a chamfer to get a cool modern look. If you don't have a router, you can just sand the corners sanded. I also routed the bottom of the deck with a cove bit to give it a modern aerodynamic feel. I wanted to try something new and add some shape to this board. So I got the rasp and I rasped in some wheel wells. I think it turned out really well and it gave it like a modern sports car aesthetic to it. Now sand the board to around 150 grit and you're ready to paint. I'm just using a regular matte black spray paint to make sure no wood grain can be seen through carbon fibre. If you're not carbon fibring, just leave here and sand between each coat and then varnish with a polyurethane varnish and you'll have your top quality £10 longboard. I recommend cutting your carbon fibre fabric with a quality pair of sewing scissors. This stuff's rather hard. Check out my video on doing carbon fibre on a 3D print. This has got a few tips and techniques on doing carbon fibre. Before you apply epoxy to the first layer of the deck, I recommend using that contact adhesive used for a template on here. This would have made it so much easier, and I don't know why I did this, but after all, I am experimenting. After your first coat of carbon fibre is dried, you want to sand and cut off the sharp bits of extruding carbon fibre. After it's sanded, you want to do 2 more coats with epoxy resin and let it dry for 2 days. Otherwise it may go cloudy when you're wet and dry sanding. I learnt this the hard way. It took ages to sand out the cloudiness. It was horrible. I sanded all the way up to 1200 grit. Next, you want to buy a cutting compound from somewhere like Halfords. This is like a gel with abrasive grit in it, and it's really good for buffing up the epoxy resin to like a mirror polish. Shiny. Now just cut your grip tape to your desired design and add your logos and decals and you're done. Hope you like this video. Please comment how I can improve and subscribe. Subscribing lets you very helpful. I'm so pleased with how this video has turned out. It's just amazing really, for almost £10 plus like £15 for carbon fibre. You've got an amazing deck. Thanks for watching.